What is up, guys? So today I'm back with another unboxing, and in this unboxing video we'll be unboxing the Wasserstein. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that, but it's the Wasserstein. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the words. As you guys know, I always have problem pronouncing these brands and all those stuff. So this is a solar panel charging solution for your Ring spotlight cam and the Ring stick up cam battery. So it is eco-friendly. It has a 360 degrees rotatable mounting bracket, quick and easy installation, and weather resistance. So on the next side it says the Ring camera battery, the Ring spotlight camera battery does not include, the Ring stick up cam battery not included. And it basically tells you more about this product and all those stuff. And it is a trademark of Ring. The Ring this Ring spotlight camera is a trademark for Ring and all those stuff. So it is made in China, and this is the name of the brand. That's their logo. And it also says, warning, this product can be exposed to chemicals including lead and all those stuff, which is known into the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. So there it is. There it is, connected to the ring light, the Ring camera I mean. And basically it says, attach the solar panel to your Ring camera with specially constructed waterproof DC connectors designed to provide continuous charge to your camera even on days with minimal sunlight. So this package contains a solar panel, a 360 mounting bracket, installation screws, and basically tells you the dimensions and the power that is providing. So it's providing 2 watts at 5 volts, and if you do the calculations, I believe you should get either 10 amps or 2.5. I'm not sure, either 10 amps or 2.5. Wait, let me see. Yeah, I think it's even less than that, because it's 2 divided by 5, I believe. So you guys do the math. So it's waterproof, barrel connectors and all those stuff. With all of that saying, let's get into the video and start to unbox. So as usual, guys, if you guys know of any unboxing knife, please leave it down below. I would definitely get it, but for now I'm just using this, I would say, Apple knife. Not the brand Apple, but you get it. So there it is, and we should be able to slide it right out, just like that. Nothing else is there. Let's set this aside right there, and right away we got a manual, tells us what is included and all those stuff, shows us how to install it, how to connect it to your camera. So I guess you put on the bracket first and you drill the holes, then you put on the solar panel and you open the battery pack for the ring light, and you plug it in on all those stuff. So it is a pretty simple installation, as you guys can see. So right here is our solar panel, and I'm gonna take it out right now. So it is white. I think they have a black edition, I'm not sure, but it's white. And I'm guessing this part you plug into your ring system. And this is the mounting bracket. The mounting bracket is pretty light, but it comes with screws, which is a plus. Thank God it comes with screws, so you don't really need to go out and find screws. So it comes with screws and this, or what do you call this again, this thing for the screw to go in. So when you drill the hole, you push this in. That is only if you want to do it. Some people don't do it like that. So that is pretty much it, guys. That's everything right there. The reason why I got this was because the Ring solar panel was out of stock. It wasn't going into stock until like a month from the time that I want it. So I went ahead and get this one. So this is kind of a third party, and it does have some good reviews on it. So I'm just gonna test it out, and if you guys have any questions in the comment section, I will definitely reach out to you and tell you guys how it's working over the period of time that I'm using it. But this was the next option and this is just basically a third party for that, for you to buy. So that's pretty much it, guys. I might show you guys a clip on how I'm installing it, depends, but if not, you guys can see right here. The manual is pretty simple. It's not really rocket science. I wouldn't pay someone to do this. I believe if you have a drill, you can definitely do this. A drill and a ladder, and just make sure you're doing it safe. If you believe that you're gonna do it and it's gonna risk your life, then hire someone. But for me, this looks pretty simple. It's just you mount it and you just plug it in. You don't need, there's not any switch or anything. So I believe even now, since I exposed the light, there's power in this end right now, but not that many power. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you reached this far in this video, definitely subscribe to this channel. There will be a link down below. It will be an affiliate link, so if you click on it and you want to buy this, it will support this channel, and that's a good way to support this channel. So thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much it, and I'll be also unboxing the Ring spotlight cam, so I'll link it above, or maybe it will come out before this video, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.